Wait, there are solfege hand signs? Hi, I'm Stephanie, a teacher at Hoffman Academy. Did you know there are solfege hand signs? It's true. They are real and they are very useful. Don't know what solfege is? You should take a quick minute and check out our Introduction to Solfege video. Here is a major scale in solfege with hand signs. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Let's break these down one at a time. These are the tricks that I use to remember them. Do is like a ball of dough. Re is like you're almost raising your hand, like re. Mi is like you're pointing to me. Fa, I don't have a trick for this one. So it's like you have to walk slowly because you're covering up your eyes. La is the claw. Ti is like drinking tea but with your pointer finger, and do at the top. So let's now try it together. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. The hand signs may seem funny, but there's a real purpose to them. They provide a visual aid during singing exercises, and the distance between them is a good example of the size of the interval they represent. If you want to learn more about using solfege, check out Hoffman Academy Lesson 13, Chocolate. We'll put a link in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like so we know you want to see more topics like this. We've got a whole team of music teachers answering questions and bringing you awesome lessons and tutorials every week. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video. And if you're looking for a complete piano education, click the link to visit hoffmanacademy.com. See you next time.